It's a new product by BoldPlex. It's their Bond Restore Hair Oil, number 7. I'm gonna go wash my hair and we'll come back and use it. All right, is this apply a generous amount into your hands, and then you want to apply from mid shaft to the ends and work it through your hair and then style as usual. This product will nourish your hair, help to detangle, and it also acts as a heat protection. So we're gonna blow dry really fast. All right, you guys, this is straight from blow drying. Like normally I have to run a flat iron through my hair to like smooth it down a little bit. My hair is so incredibly soft and smooth. Also, it smells amazing. I love how soft and smooth my hair feels straight out of the blow dry.